Hey guys, welcome back to WildhoodDiaries. Today we're off to Hesaraghatta Lake on the outskirts of Bangalore. Last week we visited Jakkur Lake, which is quite close to home, and this week we'll be going to Hesaraghatta Lake, that's on the outskirts of Bangalore. If you haven't watched the Jakkur Lake video already, make sure you watch it before joining us for this one. So Hesaraghatta Lake is about 20 kilometers from North Bangalore. Shouldn't take too long at this time. It's about 7 a.m. now. We should be reaching there in about 45 minutes. And again, like last week, we're going to look for some migratory birds. It's a much larger lake compared to the Jakkur Lake. It's also close to the Hesaraghatta grasslands, which if you haven't watched our video on it yet, make sure you go check it out on YouTube or Instagram, where we talk about the Hesaraghatta grasslands, which is one of the last remaining grasslands around Bangalore, being recognized as the Greater Hesaraghatta Conservation Reserve. This happened about a year ago, and this lake is just a bit before that, so maybe about half an hour, 45 minutes, we'll reach the lake. Come join us. So we haven't even reached Hesaraghatta Lake yet, and we've already seen our first migratory bird of the day. There's a huge flock of rosy starlings there. You can see them there. That's the white-breasted or the white-throated kingfisher. We learned it to be the white-breasted kingfisher long ago, but in the recent past they've changed the name to the white-throated kingfisher. Beautiful bird. It's got blue wings, which you obviously can't see since the bird is facing us. But yeah, we've already seen quite a bit before we even reached the lake. So that was a good start. Quite a chilly morning actually. It's very misty. Excited and looking forward to what we can find at the lake. There's an oriole there. I'm not sure if it was the black-hooded oriole or the golden oriole. Can you hear the woodpecker? Okay, change of plans. I think I want to explore this place. A lot of activity here. You can hear the red-whiskered bulbul. You can hear the common myna. You can hear a spotted dove in the distance. You can hear the Tickle's flowerpecker. There's a lot going on. There's an oriental magpie robin sitting on the branch along this trail. It's a male. You can hear the woodpecker pecking at the tree bark. The woodpecker's still around. It's the flame-back woodpecker, or the lesser golden-backed woodpecker. There's a female paradise flycatcher. Asian paradise flycatcher there. So there's the female Asian paradise flycatcher flying around this patch of forest. The females are brown, unlike the males that are white, and they've got a much longer tail, the males. I'm guessing there must be a male around here. We're just waiting around. Okay, it's been about half an hour since we've been sitting around here. The activity has died down, so we're moving ahead. So this trail that we took actually leads to the lake. The usual suspects, the white-cheeked barbets. There's a beautiful grey-backed strike perched on the barren tree there. There's a parakeet, rose-ringed parakeet. Must be nesting in the tree hollow there. It was actually hanging upside down, almost like a vernal hanging parrot. It's just gone inside now. There's a lot of swallows flying around. There's a Brahmini kite there. You'll usually find them around water bodies. They like to feed on fish. There are little grebes, Eurasian coots. Little grebes aren't ducks, they're diving water birds. But they're often confused to be ducks. Oh, hiding geese. I'm not sure what they were. Some ducks. First I thought they were the bar-headed geese, but clearly they're not. Then I thought they might be the Indian spot-billed duck. They might be. But we'll go home, check the photos and confirm. There's a little bird, a sparrow-sized bird that's hopping around in this patch here. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, look at that. A pond heron. There's a river tern. That's a river tern. The river tern always reminds me of the Bhadra Reservoir, where there's an island where a huge congregation of river terns nest at the same time. Beautiful to see two of them here. So that's it from here, from Hesaraghatta Lake. It was a great, chilly, serene morning. We actually spent more time in the forest patch before the lake, but that's how it is sometimes. I usually don't come with a plan. Wherever the birds are, wherever wildlife is, that is my plan. So until next time, WildhoodDiaries.